So thanks everyone for tuning in today, and welcome to the first session of LEOCONN webinar series. So let me first start by a bit of background and trying to answer why we started this series. So in 2021, Deepopam with Ankit Singla started LEOCONN 2021 as a first webinar on LEO satellite network, and it was a 2 days online event. A year later, Deepopam and myself organized LEOCONN 2022 as a one-day in-person tutorial in Mobicom that was in Australia this year. And early before that, in this summer 2022, with Nishanth, we organized a workshop here at University of Surrey about the LEO satellite networking and communication. So all these events has managed to generate a significant interest with hundreds of attendees from both academia and industry. So reflecting on the feedback from the community, we decided to start this LEOCONN webinar series with the objective to bring the LEO community closer together to explore ideas and start collaborating. So what do you expect to hear here in these sessions? So you will hear technical talks. So and different topics related to LEO satellites. So talks about satellite communication and networking, satellite imagery, computing in space. But these are just a broad topics. And under each and every one of these topics, there are many topics. So for example, like security and privacy in LEO satellites, measurement works, protocol enhancements, IoT in space, and many more. So I would like to use this chance here now to ask you to get in touch if you are interested in giving a talk in one of the coming webinar sessions. It might take some time to agree on one slot because we have some speakers already lined up for the coming sessions, but please reach out and we will discuss in details. So just one last slide before and some housekeeping before we go into the interesting talks. So there will be one session every 2 months. So each session will have 2 talks from great speakers. So all the announcement and the webinar Zoom link will be through the mailing list. So please distribute the mailing list widely to the people you think might be interested in attending these sessions. And to make things a little bit organized, so please use the chat box here in the Zoom to post your questions. So we have roughly 5 to 10 minutes after each talk to read your questions and let the speakers answer them. So please use the chat box. Okay, so I shall stop now and let our first speaker share his screen.